What's up guys, I'm Random Frank P. Today I have a pretty cool video for you. Not a lot of substance, but I think you're gonna like it if you are a huge keyboard enthusiast, if you're someone who loves those RGB lights in your keyboard. In my hand, I have a set of transparent keycaps. They are essentially clear. They're not fully clear though, they still have some opacity to them. They're like a clearish gray kind of color. But why would I pick these up? Well, like I mentioned, if you're a fan of those RGB lights and those new keyboards and stuff, these are gonna make for some pretty cool looking effects on your keyboard itself. So we're gonna take a look at them. We're gonna replace the normal keycaps with these transparent ones and just put on a pretty cool light show. Now I picked these up for pretty cheap from Mass Drop. You could find these on Amazon for under $50 still, which is considerably a pretty good price taking a look at other keycap sets out there. I don't think 50 bucks is really, out of the ordinary, especially for something transparent like this. So obviously you should know the routine and how to replace and take off your keycaps. Very simple, gotta be very careful though as well so you don't damage or break the stems of your keys, because that wouldn't be good at all. So we're gonna be swapping them out on my Razer Blackwidow X Chroma keyboard. I did a review on this a few months back and I love the keyboard. It's very solid, it's made of a really high quality metal, and the lights on this keyboard are probably the brightest and most saturated compared to any other keyboard I have seen on the market. But you're not limited at all. You can really use whatever keyboard you want or whatever keyboard you have, as long as the stem is compatible with these switches. Most likely if you have Cherry or Gateron, you'll be just fine. And once they're all on, as you can see, it looks really cool. With Razer software and the lighting effects, the keyboard normally looks really cool as it is with those RGB lights, but adding these transparent keycaps just looks insane. Now obviously this won't be for anybody. This is gonna be for those who want to put on a little extra flair in their light show, whether they're gaming or just trying to impress their friends who are over. These will get the job done. Like I said with this video, not a lot of substance overall, but just something cool that I picked up that I wanted to show off for you guys, because if you have an RGB keyboard, and judging by the market share, odds are at this point, you might. Adding these transparent keycaps coupled with the RGB lighting effects with companies like Logitech, Razer, Corsair, etc. It'll look really cool on your keyboard. Having those lights shine through the keycaps even more looks sick, especially at night. All the lights off, it's like you got a little rave going on your keyboard. Like I said, I got these on Mass Drop for pretty cheap. I don't think they're available, so I will put the Amazon equivalent in the description down below for you guys if you want to check them out. Under 50 bucks, so definitely not bad considering the price of just normal keycaps out there. Pretty good for this set. And that's pretty much gonna wrap it up, guys. Hope you enjoyed, hope you thought it was cool. If you liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up to show your support. Feel free to hit me up and follow me on Twitter at randomfrankp. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Well, I'm Random Frank P. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.